Meaning of Indian reservation.
Indian reservation.
Indian reservation.
Indian reservation.
Indian reservation. An Indian reservation is a designated land area that is set aside by the U.S. government for Native American tribes. The purpose of these reservations is to provide a permanent homeland for these tribes, protect their culture and way of life, and provide them with access to certain resources and services. Reservations are typically managed by tribal governments, which have their own laws and legal systems. However, many reservations face significant challenges, including poverty, high unemployment rates, and limited access to healthcare and other essential services.